Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the hottest topics in the world, cryptocurrency. What is it? How does it work? Can you invest in it? And most importantly, what is its future? So stay tuned till the end of the video for a complete guide. Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that exists only in electronic form. Unlike traditional money like rupees, dollars or euros, it doesn't have any physical coins or notes. The special thing about cryptocurrency is that it is built on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is like a digital ledger that records all transactions in a secure and transparent way. One more important point, cryptocurrency is decentralized. This means no single bank, government or authority controls it. Instead, it is maintained by a network of computers around the world. This makes it safer from manipulation and provides freedom for users. Cryptocurrency started in 2009 with the launch of Bitcoin. It was introduced by an unknown person or group under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. At first, people didn't take it seriously, but over time it became very popular. Today, thousands of cryptocurrencies exist. Some of the most well-known ones are Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Coin, BNB, Ripple, XRP, Cardano, ADA, Solana, SOL. These are traded worldwide just like stocks or commodities. Now the big question, can you invest in it? The answer is yes. Cryptocurrency is considered a new form of investment, like stocks or real estate. Many people have made huge profits by buying at a low price and selling when the price went up. But remember, the crypto market is very volatile. Prices can rise quickly, but can also fall suddenly. So, while there are opportunities for profit, there are also risks of loss. If you're planning to invest, do proper research. Start with a small amount. Use trusted platforms and exchanges. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Now let's talk about the future. Many experts believe that cryptocurrency is here to stay and will play a big role in the global financial system. Some countries are already accepting crypto for trade, and big companies are exploring blockchain for business. We might even see central banks launching their own digital currencies in the near future. However, challenges still exist. Governments are making regulations, and there are concerns about illegal use and environmental impacts of crypto mining. So the future of cryptocurrency looks promising, but it will take time to become stable and fully trusted worldwide. In short, cryptocurrency is like the internet in its early days. It has huge potential, but it's still developing. Those who understand it early may benefit a lot in the future. So friends, this was a complete picture of cryptocurrency, what it is, when it started, famous types, investment opportunities, and its future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.